Thank you for purchasing the Lippert Picnic Pop-Up Double Gazebo. We will demonstrate the proper and safe way to set up and take down the double gazebo. First, find a clear and level site for your gazebo. Remove all ties and stand the gazebo up on the center hub. Open the gazebo with the roof facing up with poles on the inside. Next, with the poles on the inside, pull out the hub at the center of the side panels while holding the roof line with the opposite hand and stepping on the shelter skirt base. Repeat this step for each panel. Now, enter through the door and push the roof center hubs for the two cabins until fully erect. Assemble and install the door poles on each side of the door. Insert each end of the pole into the webbing loop. Next, fasten the center support strap buckle on the ground. Stake out the gazebo properly using the supplied guy lines and stakes. A privacy screen is available to install in the middle of the two cabins. Just attach the toggle to the ring on the gazebo side panels for installing. Open the zipper in the privacy screen center for access. Adjustable lantern or light hooks are included in the center of each ceiling. To take down the gazebo, first remove the privacy screen, then disconnect the floor buckle strap. Next, remove all guy lines and stakes. Then, remove the poles on each side of the door. Push in on one side panel hub from the outside to collapse the side panel. Repeat this step for all side panels. Next, push down on the roof panel at the center hub until it collapses. Once all the panels are collapsed, grab one corner of the shelter base and fold in half. Next, fold the remaining corners until the gazebo is the same as it was when initially setting up the gazebo. Be cautious not to use excessive force to the pole structures. Carefully lift and insert the disassembled gazebo into the carrying bag. Pack the stakes, door poles, and privacy screen as your final step into the carrying bag. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Customer Service at 432-LIPPERT. That's 432-547-7378. Or support@support.lci1.com. Or email to customerservice@lci1.com. Thanks for watching.